Japan faces risk of massive earthquake, could claim 230,000 lives. Japan's Earthquake Research Committee has recently raised the likelihood of a massive Nankai Trough earthquake to 80%, up from previous estimates of 70 to 80%. Although recent earthquakes in the Kyushu region, such as the significant one in August 2024, were not directly connected to this updated prediction, the passage of time since the last major seismic event remains a key factor in the rising probability. Understanding this growing risk is crucial as Japan braces for possible natural disasters. The Nankai Trough, an active seismic zone off Japan's Pacific coast, poses a severe risk to the nation's safety. A potential megaquake here could reach a magnitude of 8 or 9, unleashing catastrophic tsunami waves as high as 30 meters. Experts estimate that an event of this scale could lead to approximately 230,000 deaths, destruction of over 2 million buildings, and massive disruptions to Japan's industrial hubs. Since 2013, annual probability assessments have been conducted for the Nankai Trough. In 2014, the likelihood was revised to about 70%. By 2018, the estimate increased to 70 to 80%. As of January 1, 2025, the range stands between 75 and 82%, leading officials to settle on communicating an urgent 80% probability to the public. Each passing year without a major Nankai Trough quake brings a higher chance of its eventual occurrence. Experts base these predictions on patterns from previous earthquakes, factoring in both magnitudes and intervals. Generally, when an earlier quake is small, the subsequent one occurs sooner, while larger quakes result in longer intervals. The August 2024 earthquake near Miyazaki Prefecture serves as a stark reminder of the region's seismic activity, though it didn't impact the current probability calculations. The primary reason for the updated numbers is purely temporal, reflecting the increasing odds as the years go by since the last megaquake. Professor Nishimura Takuya of Kyoto University's Disaster Prevention Research Institute reassured the public that the 80% probability is not meant to incite panic. He highlighted the complexities of earthquake modeling and noted that alternate calculation models predict probabilities as low as 20 to 40%. However, while uncertainties remain in the exact timing, the historical pattern is clear: another Nankai Trough earthquake is inevitable. Nishimura called on citizens to focus on awareness and preparedness instead of dwelling on the uncertainties. He emphasized that enhanced readiness can dramatically reduce the potential devastation when disaster strikes. To mitigate the damage from a potential Nankai Trough mega-earthquake, Japan prioritizes earthquake preparedness across all levels of society. The government organizes regular earthquake drills, reinforces critical infrastructures like bridges and buildings, and disseminates educational resources to ensure the public understands potential risks. Residents living in coastal regions or high-risk zones are strongly encouraged to create and review evacuation plans with their families. Authorities also stress the importance of assembling emergency supplies, including food, water, flashlights, first aid kits, and other essentials, to ensure basic survival during a crisis. Experts across Japan agree that a proactive approach to earthquake readiness can save lives and reduce the economic toll of such an event. Staying informed about seismic risks and taking simple steps like securing furniture, practicing evacuation routes, and fortifying homes can further enhance personal safety. Through a combination of science and public preparedness, Japan remains resilient in the face of looming natural disasters. As the probability of a major Nankai Trough earthquake continues to rise, these measures are more crucial than ever. While uncertainties about the exact timing persist, remaining vigilant and prepared will help protect lives and livelihoods against the looming megaquake.